Hello, Retouchers. You're welcome to my channel once again. So, I came across this amazing picture on Instagram. So, I was tempted to work on this picture right here. So, and I I want to share to everyone how I work on this picture, you know. So, first thing we are gonna do, as you can see, there are some spots on his body and also her body. So, we really need to fix those things and also fix the hair. Also, remove some of those strands that is distracting the hair. Okay, before we start working on the picture. Okay, so and to do that, we'll create an empty layer here. Okay, and pick our clone stamp tool. Okay, but before we start, I want you to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button so you get notified anytime I drop a new tutorial. Okay, so let's start from his body. Let's pick some of these hard spot ads. So remember, if you are working on an empty layer using your spot healing brush tool, always make sure you are on sample all layers because you are working on an empty layer. Okay, you can still use your remove tool to do it, even a spot healing brush tool to do it, also patch tool. There are many tools you can use and remove any unwanted stuff from your image here in Photoshop. You just got to pick the one that works the best for you. Okay, when you're working on picture like this, and this is double picture and different skin tone, okay, you really need to pay attention to the details, okay? So you will get it to be more beautiful. You will take your time on picture like this. Okay, so if you check this picture, this is before and this is after. Before, after. Okay, so we have removed the stuffs on the body. So now we are going to retouch this picture. Okay, so and to do that, I think we'll clone the hair first. We need to fix the hair. Okay, so let's clone the hair. We'll pick our clone stamp tool. Make sure your opacity is on 100, flow is on 100. Okay, so I want us to fix the hair so the hair will be more full. Okay, the hair is looking scanty to me. Okay, so you take your time. Okay, so yeah, same way. Okay, so we move to the lady's hair. Okay, so this is before, after, before, after. Okay, so now let's retouch this image. So we'll be making use of my advanced frequency separation inside this my all-in-one retouching preset. Okay, so you can check the first comments, the pin comments in this tutorial, the comment section, the pin comment there for my all-in-one presets and my preset pack with my LUTs, color grading skin tone LUTs pack. Okay, so get them and also get your work to another level. Okay, so we're using the advanced frequency separation. As you can see, this picture is 8-bit image. Okay, so click on it. So right here, the custom blur radius is okay on this image. That's the 8 is okay. Click OK. Nice one. So we start with, they say ladies first. Okay, so let's start with the lady. So I turn off this sample all layers here. So as you can see how she's transforming. So she's looking more beautiful than before. So when you are working on image, always take your time. Move with the structure of the body. Check how the light is bouncing on the image, how the light is coming from, how the light is falling. So move that same direction when you are retouching. So as you can see this image, this is before, after, before, after. You can see the changes before, after. Okay, so let's continue. So, and Okay, so as you can see, this is before and this is after. Before and after. You can see that they are looking more beautiful now. Okay, so now the next thing to do, let's pick out some of the stubborn spots on their faces. Okay, so I pick my clone stamp too. Okay, so I make sure that I move to my texture layer. Okay, so I pick those stubborn spots out. Okay, so this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So I'm going to take this picture to camera raw filter to do some adjustments. Then I'll bring it back here in Photoshop. Okay, so Ctrl J. So I take this to camera raw filter. So here we are in camera raw filter. I'll go to this edit icon and move to enhance portrait. So this enhanced portrait is an AI settings added inside camera raw filter. Okay, so if you haven't been using this enhanced portrait, adaptive portrait, you just need to try it out today. Okay, so it will help you, it will help you a lot. Some of the features there will help you. And if your Photoshop or camera raw filter don't have it, just know that you need to update your camera raw filter or you update your Photoshop. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished loading. Okay, so yeah, enhanced portrait here is 100, so I take it to 114. Glamour portrait here, I move the glamour portrait to 115, as you can see right here. So I enhance the eye for the sake of the man. Okay, so right here, darken eyebrow for the lady. I darken the eyebrow, so I take it down. Okay, so I move to adaptive subject and check on pop. Pop is okay. I click on pop. Okay, so right now I click OK. So okay, so as you can see right here, it has loaded. Okay, so I use my selective color here and move to yellow and move cyan more a little here. Okay, so this is cool. So I think this picture is looking amazing this way. So what I will do is to merge this together with this. So let's check where we started from. Okay, so this is this picture raw. Okay, so we remove those spots on their faces and got this. We remove the spots and work on the hair, and we achieve this. Then we move to this, from this to the frequency separation, achieve this, then take it to camera raw filter and achieve this with the selective color that we use. Okay, so this is how this picture come out. Okay, so it's looking more beautiful than before. So this is before and this is after. Before and this is after. Okay, so before and after. Okay, so this is the end of this tutorial, and also if you have a question, drop it in comment section. Okay, so I will see you in my next tutorial.